Lemon. So here's our beautiful lemon. Now when checking for ripeness, we want the skin to be a nice and vibrant yellow with little to no blemishes. If you can see any shades of green, then the lemon is not yet ripe. They should also be nice and firm, and their stem should be green and not brown or black. Now I'll use the same zesting technique that I used with the lime. And there's our zested lemon. I'll then top and tail my lemon, slice in half, and then into quarters. Each quarter will have a few seeds, so using the tip of your blade, simply remove. I'll then angle my knife like so and slice the pith off. Finally, I'll cut into wedges. And there's our beautiful lemon wedge. Here, you can clearly see the pith, which is bitter and the reason why we remove it. And there's our lemon broken down. We'll then place our wedges into a deli container, and these will last about 1 week in the fridge.